To Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu Super Sudoku Basran, June 27, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Column B, we have 1, 2, 8, 1. The three numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. It will come in another cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, second row and 4th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 6th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 2 and 8 and 3. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Or 5th row and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. First grade and 5th row, we have pair numbers 2, 2, 6, 7. The 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 9. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then the first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 3. It will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. That 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then seventh grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells, the 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 5. Column C, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we will add here 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column J, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 7th grade, we will add here 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here.